By 2040, the world will not have enough water.
The water business is very important to this world. We want to be part of that.
When we first started the company, we were basically just one market, one product. That was the irrigation market with just what we call our Thompson filter.
It was an opportunity I couldn't pass up, and we essentially built all the first, I don't know how many filters, he and I built them personally together.
A lot of our staff has been here from the beginning, but the two boys, you know, they've worked hard, got the company to where it is today.
At the beginning of the company, they had a patent on the Thompson strainer, and now it's used not only in the irrigation business, but it's used in around 17 different other applications, from everything from liquid fertilizer to food processing to HVAC, chilled water, open loop, closed loop systems, a variety of different types of applications.
We sell into about 6 different industries now.
Here we are, 30 years later.
I consider one of the best or the best product out there in the market.
It's a very simple product that does something that isn't so simple.
We're looking at what our customer needs in filtration, and then we adapt ourselves in our engineering, sales, and marketing to provide that type of filtration to the customer.
Our CRM system is very helpful with documenting a lot of the things that we do, and it also helps us create better connections with our customers.
People buy from people buy from companies that they really trust. Our kind of motto here is really trying to exceed the customer's expectations.
There's caring and generosity that I don't think you see at a lot of other companies.
It's not all sales, you know, it's more of, hey, let's get to know each other. Let's get to know who these people are and what motivates them.
We also built this big, beautiful loft area where, in turn, to have them stay at a hotel or have them stay at a condo, they can stay right here.
I have a passion for that, to make sure that the customer's taken care of. David just walked by.
When Mr. Miller walks through the door, you know he gets excited, and that carries on to everybody else.
Bill has done a whole heck of a lot for me personally in my life and for Marty.
Everybody always comes to work with a very positive attitude.
It's an amazing company. I work with many great people.
I'm a 20-year Navy veteran who retired back in 2014, and I bring a set of core values that was taught to me in the service: honor, courage, and commitment.
We've grown this company, I think, with the kind of culture and feeling of a family business.
And it's almost like a dance. Every interdepartment here has to work with each other.
So you get to really gel as a team, and you really understand how other people think and how you can interact as a team.
We get together, we get behind each other, and we get the job done.
I plan on retiring here. That's if they keep me.
Humanitarian efforts are our passion because we have the ability to give the gift of water. The work that we do in Africa, for example, in these hospitals and villages, it ultimately saves lives. And you know, and I get emails, letters from these people all the time, you know, thanking us for that. Romeo is involved a lot in the Haiti projects with Embry-Riddle University. I did more of the projects in Bangolo Hospital in Gabon, and also in the Masamara Triangle, which was really, really rewarding work for sure.
The beauty about Miller-Leaman is our customization. We are not just a fabrication shop.
Anything they need, we can provide in-house. We have full 3D modeling capabilities. We can provide files for their own CAD systems to integrate our models into their designs. Anything they need.
We have been working on improving the products that we currently have and developing new products that we feel are going to be the key to our success moving forward.
You know, hey, great market here in the United States, but what about Europe? What about Asia?
My expectation is to move on, to grow the company.
We want to take care of the customers, solve their water issues for the future. I mean, we're all in dire straits of water, and we need to recycle and reuse water. And I want to be part of that solution instead of the problem 10 years from now. At Miller-Leaman, we're water veterans. We eat, drink, and sleep filtration. The future of water begins with all of us. Miller-Leaman brings water to life.